Hmm. Whoosh. It doesn't even look like there's a thing. Yes, BK. BK has really good hamburgers. Look at how tasty they look on TV. You get them, and it's like, what is this? It is not even, it's not even, it's lopsided.
It's not even round.
It's not even round. What kind of bun is this? It is flat and saggy. I did not order flat and saggy buns.